Hello everyone. Today we'll have a look at a broker called INGOT Brokers. On the first page here, what we see is just a computer running some numbers and some charts in the background. Trade with ease, anytime, anywhere, on any device. Now we can say that this is valid for any broker, so it's just a logo probably for the for this broker. Nothing convincing on this first page, but let's not jump to conclusion. Let's see what more. We see a band here on the downside where it shows us the spreads on some shares. Some shares, I would say that these are not necessarily shares, but CFDs or contract for difference, for the simple reason that when you buy shares, then you will only have one price, not two prices, bid and ask, and definitely you will not have spreads. Our markets. Now this is interesting. Let's see what this broker offers. Agriculture, corn, soy meal, wheat. This is a plus, I must say, because not any broker gives you access to agricultural commodities. And as you saw in 2021, since the start of the year, commodities of all kinds, including food, like food commodities, agriculture commodities, increased dramatically. Wheat, corn, everything is up. Energies, natural gas, Brent oil. Let's click here to see where we go. Okay, we go to the description. Natural gas, Brent oil, WTI crude oil, a spread floating Monday to Friday. So these are CFDs as well. Let's go back to the main page. Metals, gold, copper, silver, stocks, indices, ETFs. Now ETFs, that's another interesting add-on on this broker, because normally a Forex broker or broker that focuses on the currency market will give you access to the FX, some CFDs on stocks and indices, obviously commodities in terms of gold, silver, and maybe oil, but that's it. No agriculture, no ETFs, cryptocurrencies. That's interesting as well. So I would say that this is a positive so far. So one positive for INGOT Brokers. Quite an interesting name, I must say. Start trading in minutes. Normally the 3 steps advertised by any broker. Why choose? Well, an experienced broker with 15 years of experience, correct? 8 asset classes, which is a big number or bigger number when compared to many other brokers. What else? On a leading award trading platform, let's see what this trading platform will be. We'll have a look in a minute. Educational materials. Okay, so far the first impression looks good, despite the fact that this first page here may be a bit more arranged, if you want, more user friendly. Let's go and take a look at what? At trading platforms. That would be interesting to see. What do we have here? The MetaTrader 4. This is a very good choice for any broker that is not big enough to develop its own in-house trading platform. Plus that an in-house trading platform comes with additional costs in maintenance and so on. So you would want to invest in one only further down the road when the business expands. Other than that, you simply license the MetaTrader and then you are good to go. MT4 for desktop, Android, iOS, all good. So the MT4 is the desired platform. Let's have a look at the account types. Multiple account types. Okay, let's look at them. What do we have? ECN, Professional and Prime. The raw ECM or the basic ECN. Let's go on the read more. This should be interesting. The minimum deposit 100, so there is a negative on this one. You don't want to have a minimum deposit in the 21st century, but nevertheless. Minimum lot size 0.01. I'm telling you why these brokers or some brokers want a minimum deposit of 100 or whatever when they offer ECN, because ECN as a technology, electronic communication network, it's quite expensive to offer it, and therefore the broker needs to at least have a small deposit from its customers. And as a matter of fact, if you consider even this sum is modest, because if you plan to trade for a living, or if you have long-term intentions with trading, you don't expect, or no one expects to make money, or serious money, or a serious profit with $100 account. And therefore, ideally one should run the demo account, see a bit the broker's offering, and then fund the real account with whatever the amount is, definitely bigger than 100. So this, if you want, it is not necessarily a big drawdown, providing the broker is regulated. We don't know that yet. We'll have a look in a minute. Minimum lot size 0.01, which is good. Negative balance protection, very important. Negative balance protection means that if your trading account dives below the original or below the margin that the funds can sustain, then you will not be held accountable for the difference. So this is okay. And ECN technology is another big plus for this broker. What else? Education, Forex basics, trading basics. Let's go on trading basics. What do we have? So we have indices and commodities. These are YouTube videos. I'm not going to run them. Let's see, maybe on the Forex, a bit more here. 7 videos here explaining trading. Not so convinced. This could be much larger if you want. Market news, reports, trends, corporate events, index dividends, partnership, on the trading, deposit, withdrawal, nothing interesting. Let's go on the real stuff. Regulation. Oh, this is a regulated broker. Let's see. Fully regulated by the ASIC. This is the Australian financial regulator, if I'm not mistaken. And this is what I wanted to see. Segregation of clients found. The strict policy that all client funds are kept fully segregated. So, as you can see, this broker has two entities or two licenses. One from Australia, from the financial authority in Australia, and another one from, I'm guessing this is St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So, with the reference number exactly like it was supposed to be. All in all, INGOT Brokers, despite the unfriendly name, or maybe this is just my opinion, looks good. It is regulated, which is the most important. Offers ECN technology, and even if it requires a minimum $100 as a deposit, it is still something that any trader should live with. Final decision, INGOT Brokers, good choice for trading. Bye bye.